Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In previous class, we learnt the solar system, moon and satellites. Today we are going to learn Earth rotation and revolution. Have you remembered this rotation and revolution? Already we learnt in the 12th lesson also. Yes. What is rotation? Yes, the spinning movement of the earth is called rotation. The spinning movement of the earth is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Okay. Next, what is revolution? Yes, the earth moves around the sun in a fixed path called an orbit. This movement of the earth is called revolution. The revolution of the earth causes seasons. Okay, let us see the rotation and revolution. Okay, we already know that the earth rotates on its own axis. The earth spins around an imaginary line passing through its center. Okay, this imaginary line passes through the north and south poles of the earth. The imaginary line passes through the north pole and the south pole of the earth. This is called axis of rotation. This axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. As I told, the rotation of the earth causes day and night, whereas revolution and the tilted axis of the earth causes the seasons. The earth complete one rotation in 24 hours. That is one day. Then to complete one revolution around the sun, the earth takes about 365 and a quarter days. That is 365 1 by 4 days. That is approximately 1 year. There is another imaginary line around the earth called the equator. It divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The first we are going to see day and night. When the earth rotates on its tilted axis, one half of the earth faces the sun and the other half of earth is away from the sun. The one half of the earth faces the sun. It is daytime in all the countries on this half because they get the sunlight, so it is day. At the same time, the countries on the other half of the earth which are far away from the sun are in the darkness and so have night time. That is the reason why it is night time in America when it is daytime here in India. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes seasons. However, there would be no seasons if the earth was not tilted on its axis. Okay, as the earth moves around the sun, the tilt causes the sun's rays to fall more directly on either the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere, depending on the position of the earth. That is, when the earth revolves around the sun, it is tilted to one side. When the north pole is tilted towards the sun, the northern hemisphere gets more sunlight and has summer. At this time, the south pole is tilted away from the sun. The southern hemisphere gets less sunlight and has winter. That is, the half that is most sunshine has summer, whereas the other half has winter. About 6 months later, the situation changes and the half that had summer now has winter and the half that had winter now has summer. For an example, India and Australia. India is in the northern hemisphere, whereas Australia is in the southern hemisphere. This is why when it is winter in India, Australia has summer. Same way, and when it is summer in India, Australia has winter. In India, we have 5 seasons, that is summer, monsoon, autumn, winter and spring. winter is the coldest season and summer is the hottest season. Then autumn season is neither very hot nor very cold. Then monsoon is the season with a heavy rainfall. And then spring is the most colorful tune of the year. Okay, this lesson we learned the solar system and rotation and revolution of the earth. The sun and the 8 planets along with their moons and the dwarf planets form the solar system. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Then rotation causes day and night, and then revolution causes the seasons. Then the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 days and 1 by 4 days. The 365 1 by 4 days, that is quarter days to complete one revolution. Okay, the 13th lesson is over. We'll do the book exercise in the next class. Thank you.